What's the meaning of civilly? Civilly. Civilly.
Civilly. Civilly. Civilly is an adverb that describes behavior or actions that are polite, courteous, or respectful towards others. When someone behaves civilly, they are typically engaging in positive interactions with others and treating them with dignity and consideration. This can include using respectful language, following social norms and conventions, and avoiding behaviors that might be perceived as rude or aggressive. By acting civilly, people can build positive relationships, reduce conflicts, and create a more harmonious social environment.